Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 90 on the AT, and with a very special morning, we are in the Trailside Zoo, the zoo that the AT actually goes through. We're just following White Blazes, and we get a little zoo. So yeah, it's a pretty cool little day, but we're leaving Fort Montgomery after a little zero yesterday, and heading out past New York City, and we're going to be making our way out of New York by the end of the section into Connecticut. Woo!
Yeah.
So, but yeah, other than that, I think sounds like the trail gets a little easier, but it's pretty hot and humid, so we'll just keep pushing on. Yeah, let's go do this.
Woo! Yeah. Porcupine! This is the official lowest spot on the entire trail at 120 feet. Look at your wee face! Up, 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 up. Good bum. It's nice for the sun. Good morning. Today is day 91. And I'm being eaten. Jordan, there's a mosquito on my arm. Get it.
That's a moth.
No, it was like a bitey one. I think it must have been one of those horse flies. Wow, look at the sunlight rays coming through the trees today. It's a very, very pretty morning. Very misty and very condensation-y, but it's very pretty. So yesterday we walked through the zoo, which was really cool, and then we crossed the Hudson River, and we did a shorter day to a nice campsite, really nice campsite. Something I've been trying to capture in videos is the fireflies at night here, and I haven't been able to get a good video of them, but it's absolutely amazing. The fireflies at night are just all lighting up all over the grass meadows, and it's really amazing. Today we're doing about 20 miles. We might have an opportunity for some deli blazing as the trail passes close to some delis, so hopefully we get a wee sandwich in there. And other than that, we're just keeping going forwards on day 91. Here we go. Woo! We called into the pizza and deli place just about 0.5 off the trail there. Had a nice wee pizza for dinner. Today was brutally hot. Oh, it was hot. Very, very humid, so just to get a wee bit of air conditioning was really nice. But for future reference, for anyone planning the AT, you can camp at the pizza place. It was very, very tempting, but we're going to push on for another 3.9 miles, so we're back on trail again. But kind of late for us to sort of be finishing here, but another 3.9 and we'll be at camp. So pizza was good, cold drinks, cold beverages. That's a big boy. Look at the size of that tree. Jordan, go stand in front of it so we can see. Just for size reference. Oh, big hug. Big hug. That is a big tree.
It's a big one.
Big boy.
Big beefy boy.
Here's a tick in my tent that's about to be dead. Deceased. You're gonna die, little tick. You're gonna die.
Morning, beautiful people. It is day 92 on the AT, and we are doing about 20 miles, just over, to set ourselves up for a Nero into Kent tomorrow. But yeah, today we will probably get some rain. It's looking pretty dark, and the forecast is showing a little bit of a thunderstorm later in a few hours. So we'll see how that goes. Other than that, we are passing a few lakes. We have a Malaysian food place that's right on trail to stop at about 11 miles in, so perfect timing for lunch. We'll do that. And then, yeah, it's pretty much a pretty easy elevation day, so hopefully the terrain isn't too bad and we can get these 20 and a half miles done pretty quickly. And we'll have a river at our campsite to maybe take a little dip in or something like that to cool off, because we got a little bit of climb at the later half. Right before we get to camp, we'll have a little bit of a climb. So oh yeah, we're crossing into Connecticut today. Woo! We'll also be right at 2/3 of the trail done by the end of the day, so that's pretty exciting. And yeah, let's do this. Woo!
Old railway.
Nice reference.
Wow, that might be the biggest tree I've ever seen. Look at the size of it. What is the relevance of this tree?
It's the oldest oak tree on the trail.
It is humongous. Very special mention for a very special person today. It's my mum's birthday.
Yay,
Happy
Mrs.
birthday,
O.
Mum! Love you lots and hope you have an amazing day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Scary face. Very scary face. Talking about the one on the right.